Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing these Lululemon pants. These are the ABC Slim Fit 5-pocket pants, 32 length, Utilitech, 31 waist, men's, made in Vietnam, and this is the color True Navy, TRNV, True Navy. All right. These are my dailies that I wear at work. Love these pants. I really like them because they look like pants, but they're really stretchy. Nice zipper pockets. Wow. Here we go. Here's the tag. Slim fit. Or actually, here's the tag. Lemon. True Navy, very nice color. Got a pocket here, got your usual pocket here, coin pocket here, tag here, 31. Then you got these pockets on the back. These two pockets in the back, which I really like because this one on the back right side have a zipper. So keeps your wallet secure, really like that. Double layer of protection with the zipper. Then another pocket here without the zipper. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.